Alrighty, here we have the Flycam Galaxy vest. It's a pretty cool thing. It's a vest that you wear with a giant spring arm that basically is a fourth axis to a gimbal. But before we talk about this, I want to tell you about our sponsor, Motion Array. If you're a content creator like myself and want to level up your videos, check out Motion Array. With pre-made templates, transitions, audio effects, and even plugins, Motion Array is the place to go. They even have music, sound effects, and footage as well. They've basically got everything you need to make your videos look better. To get $50 off your annual subscription, check out the link below. Thank you to Motion Array for sponsoring the channel, and back to the video. Alright, first off, just get some tape, cut it open, be careful, because there's a nice case inside. Cool. Okay, here's the spring arm, and then here's part of the vest. I think this is the back part, and then this is the front plate. So let's open up with the front plate. Pretty simple, not a ton of assembly here. Here's the front part. This goes right here. And then the back part is next. And this goes on your back. Now, I'm not gonna put this on because I don't quite have the right setup to do that, but we're just unboxing this. So here's the vest part of itself. And then you'll see, you can't really see it, but there are a bunch of pins here. And those pins are what attach to the arm, which we'll open up right now. This is the heavy bit. So we got a case, just like we got with the Steadicam, the Flycam Red King. There's a video on that if you want to check out that unboxing. Probably a lot less assembly than the Steadicam had. That had a bunch of bolts and things like that. Okay, here we go. Open this part up. It's Velcro. It's nice that these things come with cases. I was hoping all of it will come in the same case, but it's not gonna happen. Okay, here we have inside, we have a little strap. And once I wear it, I'll figure out where this goes exactly, but it's a nice little strap. Same one came with the other stabilizer. So there we go. We have our springs. Looks like it came with the bigger springs already installed. And then we have the arm itself. Now, this is the arm. Here we go. And this attaches to those little pins, and then it's got the arm itself, which basically is a fourth axis to a gimbal. So you know you have the pan, tilt, and roll. This is the up and down, the Z. So yeah, this attaches to the vest, and then the Steadicam, which I've got one right here. This little hole, which can pop out like that, attaches to this big pin right here. Okay, there we have that. And here's the adapter to make that all fit perfectly. Not a ton of stuff comes with this. You don't need a ton of stuff. Just pretty simple, you know, put the vest on, put this on the vest, and then pop these on. Ooh, and an Allen wrench. You know, filmmaking gear, everything comes with an Allen wrench. And this goes on just like that. And there you go. This attaches to the vest, and the Steadicam attaches to this. Now, it comes with extra springs, so different payloads. Maybe you have a lighter system, you want the lighter springs. Maybe you have a heavier system, and you need the bigger springs. This whole thing balances, and the setup, you know, takes a little bit of time to get all set up. I have not set this up yet since I just have got it, but I will be making a tutorial on how to do that in a little while. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I know this isn't a long video, just a quick unboxing of this thing so you know what you're getting. You get the vest, both halves of it, you get two big springs, you get two of these little adapters things for the end of it, and then the giant Flycam Galaxy arm, which is quite well built and heavy. Everything feels really good. You have spring adjustments here, you know, very professional feeling. And the cool thing about this system, this is not that expensive. You can get the whole system with the vest, the arm, and the Red King for about $580, $600. So as far as stabilizer systems go, it's pretty cheap. And the cool thing about this is I haven't done it yet, so don't take my word on it yet, but if I can attach like a Ronin to the end of the Flycam, that would be awesome. Anyway, that's about it for this video. If you want to help support the channel, please consider checking out the affiliate links below if you want to pick this up for yourself, checking out our sponsors, and if you want to subscribe, that would be awesome as well. That's going to be it, and I'll see you in the next video.